Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this video, I am going to show how to create Facebook profile screenshot trending photo like this and this. Both are quite similar. I will show how to edit this one. So let's intro. For this editing, you need your Facebook profile screenshot and Picsart app. After opening Picsart, you will find an interface like this. Click plus icon, then scroll down, select white background. Now select tools, then crop and select 16:right, 16:9 ratio. Select OK. Now scroll right, select add photo and select this background. Add on, link in the description. Resize it. Now click OK. Now scroll right, select add photo and now select your screenshot. Add one. Now crop it. Okay. Now scroll right, select border. Now black border 3 and inner border red. Select 0. Or you can select inner border 3 and black border 0. Now click OK. Now follow my instruction carefully. Okay. Now select blend, then select multiply. Okay. Now select OK. Now select tools, then select adjust. Okay. Brightness. Okay. Contrast. Then select OK. Then save it. Save. Yes. Save to gallery. This. Look. Wow.